today I have come also with almost the same thing, but not the same we did on Friday. Yeah, this one I want to show you that you can use any of your choice of vegetable for swallow. Today we are using this purple eggplant. Okay, so when you remove the back of your pumpkin eggplant, you can use any of the eggplants you like. Okay, remember we have those tiny ones, you can use them. Yeah, so you remove the back, then after removing the back, you chop in small pieces. You chop in small pieces the way it will get done fast. You get it, you can chop like this in small pieces. Have you seen the size? Yeah, let me do it here so that you see me quickly. Yes, so I will not chop in small pieces because I want it to get done fast. Yeah, that's it. So it depends on how many people you are making this for. You get it, how many people, two or three people, I don't know, it depends on you. So after slicing like this, you boil with little water and you get something like this one. This is already boiled one, and this is the fresh one. So now I'm going to blend again like we did yesterday, but with another vegetable. That's it. So I will blend with little water, not too much water. So we are going to blend the eggplant. So I'm blending my eggplant with it. Yeah. So now, remember, this one is boiled. After cutting like this, you boil. So this is the blended purplish eggplant. We are going to turn things into swallow. Yes. And I told you the work of psyllium has. That is what we use in thickening this, and it's very healthy. It's not artificial, it's 100% organic, just like you're seeing this. We are blended now. So you start to mingle, have you seen it, with your mingling stick. So when it's done a little bit, you just put some little quantity. If you are making like for 4 people, you need like 2 spoons of your psyllium husk. Okay, so I'm going to now put my psyllium. Have you seen the quantity? Yeah. Psyllium is very rich in fiber, and we know what fiber does to the body. Have you seen that started congealing, coming together, forming swallow? The way you can hold it and the heat. Yeah, so you keep mingling until when it is sweetened, not the way you want, or it has congealed to exactly what you want. Have you seen it has congealed completely? All right, so that is it. We are done with this. So you eat this with any kind of sauce you want. It's always good in Accra, you know, okra, meat, chicken sauce. Any sauce, of course, can go. It depends on your choice of sauce. Depends on your choice of sauce. So this is it. Okay, we are done. We are completely done. Let me pour out. You see how this one looks like also. That's it. So when we pour out, you allow it to settle. Yes, because it's very hot now. You allow it to do what? To settle. So this is this. Look at it here. That is it. The dove made out of the eggplant. And let me show you. Have you seen? This one has congealed. It's 100% swallow. You can eat it. And if you want to eat it with any sauce, like I've said, is very okay. With stew, with okra, with egusi, with meat, with chicken sauce, with peanut sauce. So that is it for the day. This is very good for weight management. After eating this made out of these vegetables, you will not feel too much heaviness in the stomach. Your tummy will still be flat because it helps in weight management. So please try this. This is it again, sign of ask. And this is the organic. If you care to have one, email us or comment or text me. I have this. You can use any vegetable you want. At times I make out of broccoli or cauliflower. So it depends on the vegetable you love most. Thank you so much for joining. Please keep connecting, subscribing, and connecting people. Raise your thumb if you like what I am bringing to you. Thank you so much.